Craft C152. Okay? C152. Weight turbulence category is L, light.
Light.
Okay? Equipment. Standard operating equipment and C. Grabe ka. Papanto. So, RPUX. So, it means
Time.
time. RPX local.
Okay.
Right? So, persistent. 85 minutes or 80 minutes. Level BFR. Visual time BFR. What is BFR? Oh, very good.
Look! Oh, stop! Pause!
Cabin. So, visor operating handbook available. Yes. Control wheels left, free, movement. Good.
Okay.
Ignition switch off. Check. Master switch. Master switch.
5 to?
Check inside. Check the rollers. Here.
Hindi pa nakapag-welcome, Joy.
Ay, hindi pa. Okay.
Seat belts?
Belts. And then,
Once more?
oh yeah, once more. Wait, just to absorb the fuel and then
Lock it?
lock. And
How
then,
to lock it, ma?
there's a hole. Make sure the ignition switch. When you're starting the ignition, throttle here. Okay, brakes ah. Okay, 1, 2, 3.